Colors and numbers aren't just tools for design or counting. They're powerful forces that can shift your energy and bring positivity into your life. And by understanding their unique meanings and subtle vibrations, you can harness them to enhance your mindset, create balance, and inspire instant positivity in your daily routine. Colors influence our emotions in ways we often don't realize. They can evoke calmness, stimulate creativity, or even energize a room. For centuries, cultures have used colors for healing and balance, tapping into their ability to affect our mood and environment. For example, blue is often associated with tranquility and relaxation. This is why it's commonly used in bedrooms and meditation spaces. Yellow, on the other hand, is linked to joy and energy, making it ideal for workspaces or places where creativity thrives. The psychological effect of colors isn't universal. Personal preferences and cultural associations also play a role. While red might feel bold and passionate to some, it could seem overwhelming or aggressive to others. Paying attention to how specific colors make you feel is key to using them effectively. To incorporate the power of colors into your life, start with your surroundings. Use color in your clothing, home decor, or even as accents in your workspace. Something as simple as a blue vase or a yellow notebook can create subtle but impactful shifts in your mood. Numbers, much like colors, carry unique vibrations that can influence our lives. Throughout history, numerology has been used to uncover the hidden energies of numbers, helping people understand patterns and align with positive forces. Each number from 1 to 9 has its distinct energy. For instance, the number 1 symbolizes leadership and new beginnings, while 5 resonates with adventure and freedom. Similarly, 8 is often associated with abundance and success, making it a favorite for those seeking financial growth. Even numbers bring balance and stability, while odd numbers inspire movement and change. By identifying the energy of a specific number, you can align your focus with its attributes to enhance areas of your life that need attention. To start, consider your personal connection to numbers. Do you frequently see certain numbers or feel drawn to specific dates or figures? These recurring patterns often indicate that the energy of these numbers is trying to guide you. When combined, the energies of colors and numbers create a powerful synergy. By aligning specific colors with numbers, you can create a personalized toolkit for positivity that speaks to your unique goals and needs. For example, if you're seeking calm and stability, you could pair the soothing blue with the grounding energy of the number 4. For confidence and success, try combining the empowering red with the abundant energy of the number 8. This combination can be incorporated into your environment and daily life. Use colored sticky notes with motivational phrases and numbers that resonate with your goals. Wear clothing that combines your chosen colors and carry a reminder of your number, such as a charm or keychain. Experimentation is key. As you test different combinations, you'll begin to notice what resonates most deeply with you. These personal insights will help you create an intuitive system that fosters positivity and balance in your life. Your physical space has a direct impact on your mental state, and using colors and numbers thoughtfully can transform it into a sanctuary of positivity. Start by assessing your surroundings. Which colors dominate your living or work spaces? If your environment feels dull or chaotic, consider introducing colors that inspire harmony and focus. Adding soft greens for renewal or energizing yellows for motivation can make a noticeable difference. Numbers can also enhance the energy of a room. Place objects in arrangements that reflect meaningful numbers. For instance, 3 candles on a table might evoke creativity, while pairs of items can bring balance and unity. Another effective approach is to use art or decor that combines numbers and colors. A wall hanging featuring your favorite number in a bold, inspiring color can serve as a daily reminder of your intentions. By aligning your surroundings with the energies of colors and numbers, you create an environment that constantly uplifts and supports you, reinforcing positivity throughout the day. Incorporating colors and numbers into your daily routine doesn't have to be complicated. Simple, consistent practices can amplify their effects and bring positivity into even the busiest days. Start with morning rituals. Choose clothing or accessories in a color that reflects the energy you want for the day. For instance, wear green to invite growth or purple for creativity. Pair this with a mental focus on a number that aligns with your goals, such as repeating the number 5 for adaptability during transitions. You can also incorporate these elements into journaling or meditation. Write your intentions with a specific color pen and focus on a number that embodies your aspirations. This focused practice helps solidify your goals and enhances your emotional connection to them. As the day unfolds, notice how these small shifts influence your mindset and interactions. Over time, these daily rituals create a rhythm of positivity, helping you stay aligned with your intentions, no matter what comes your way. The key to fully accepting the power of colors and numbers is to trust your intuition. While general meanings and associations provide a helpful starting point, your personal connection to these elements is what makes them truly life-changing. Pay attention to your emotional responses. Does a particular shade of blue make you feel calm, or does it evoke something else entirely? Similarly, does the number 7 bring a sense of luck, or does another number feel more meaningful to you? Your intuition is your best guide in navigating these energies. Experiment with different combinations and don't be afraid to step away from traditional interpretations. What matters most is how they resonate with you personally. By trusting your instincts, you create a practice that is uniquely yours, a reflection of your own energy and intentions. And this personal alignment amplifies the positivity and transformation that colors and numbers can bring into your life. It's natural to feel skeptical about the idea that colors and numbers can influence your life. After all, these are concepts we encounter daily without giving them much thought. Science and experience show that even small stimuli can have profound effects on our mindset and behavior. For instance, businesses use specific colors in branding to evoke trust or excitement. The same principle applies to personal growth. Skepticism often stems from unfamiliarity. Approach this practice with curiosity rather than doubt. You don't need to accept it fully at first. Just experiment and observe the results. Small changes can lead to surprising shifts in energy and perspective. With time and consistency, you may find that what once seemed like a simple practice becomes a cornerstone of your well-being, subtly transforming your outlook and interactions with the world. As you grow more comfortable using colors and numbers, you can deepen your practice by exploring their advanced applications. This might include diving into numerology or studying the psychological effects of different color palettes. You can also adapt your practice to suit changing needs. For instance, during periods of stress, focus on colors and numbers that evoke calmness and stability. In times of growth, choose combinations that inspire courage and creativity. Keep in mind that this is a dynamic process. As your goals and experiences evolve, so will your connection to these tools. Stay open to experimenting and refining your approach. By continually expanding and adapting your practice, you ensure that it remains a vibrant and meaningful part of your journey toward positivity and self-improvement. Ustada Bing. The energies of colors and numbers are always present, ready to support and uplift you. By intentionally incorporating them into your life, you create a path to greater positivity, balance, and harmony. This practice is simple yet profound, offering a way to align your inner energy with the world around you. Begin by experimenting with colors and numbers that resonate with your goals. and watch how even small changes can lead to meaningful transformations. If this video has inspired you, share your experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on enhancing your life with simple, powerful practices.